This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance by Lady Gaga on piano. We will begin by identifying the song's key, which is C major. Then, you'll learn the 4 essential chords: C, G, a minor, and F. Practice this progression repeatedly with a simple, sustained rhythm in your left hand. This foundational step is crucial for building your performance. Now, let's bring in the right hand to play the iconic melody. Concentrate on the main vocal line, which largely utilizes notes from the C major scale. Take your time, practicing the melody slowly in short, manageable phrases. The key here is to smoothly coordinate your right hand melody with the chords you're playing in your left hand. To truly bring Just Dance to life, we'll now add rhythm and dynamics. Try introducing a more active rhythmic pattern for your left hand, perhaps eighth notes. Experiment with varying dynamics, playing some sections softly and others loudly. Always use a metronome to ensure a consistent tempo. When you reach the chorus, play with increased energy and emphasis. To further refine your performance, consider some advanced techniques. You can explore arpeggios in your left hand for a richer, fuller sound. Also, try adding syncopation to your right hand melody to give it more flair and a dance-like feel. Always listen to the original song to capture its authentic energy. Consistent practice, even just 15 to 20 minutes daily, will make a huge difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.